Why'd you leave?
I'm doing something right now.
It's a YouTuber!
Where's the monster? Where's the monster? I said, where's the monster? I'm right here. I just got killed by one just now. You tell me where the monster is so I can just feed him?
Hi. Hello. Yeah. The monster came out of nowhere. That did. Came out of nowhere.
I'm not saying sorry.
Hey,
You got in the way. You got in the way. I'm not saying sorry. I'm not saying sorry. You got in the way. Okay, girl. You got in the way. I'm not... Okay, guys. Where's the monster at? We need to know where the monster is so we can kill him and fry him for dinner.
I don't know. Of course.
What if it likes to spawn? Bro, behind you, go! At you. Yeah.
Yeah, we can't
Guys,
know.
can we all stick
Another
together?
spawn's over there.
Keep an eye out.
Just look it. Oh, wait for me.
Oh, call me Gunner. That's sometimes people call me Gunner. Cause wait, guys, that's the wrong way. That guy's son. Come back. Yeah, what is the right way then? Okay. Come on, guys. What you mean, Phoebe? I forgot how to do the floss.
Down? What you mean down?
Bro, I love how it just goes turn. Yo, bro! Broski! Oh, broski, bro. Yeah, it's Hammy. Wait, there's Sadie and Hammy. Good. Oh, can you just go through this like tiny crack right here? Maybe you just have to. How did you go through that? The monster went inside of there and touched you, bro. Oh, hell no. You're cooked, bro. Bro, there is other people. Oh, yeah.
Oh, hi. Oh, sorry. Yep. Okay. Yeah, made it at least. I outrun him. Okay, what's the key with me? I don't know what the key is. So where is this? So where? Yeah. Okay, the key. Yep. Oh, yeah, where is the key? Okay, let's one check over. No, he doesn't like me. It hates me. I know. I know. I guess he's not making it.